Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution.
Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink.
In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag dishwasher pump filter. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new pump filter. The pump filter is located inside the pump and it filters the water as it comes through. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if this filter material is clogged or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door and remove the lower rack. Now that we have the rack out of the way, we can remove the nut that holds in the lower spray arm assembly. Once you have the nut off, you can lift the lower spray arm out. Now that we have the spray arm out of the way, we can remove the 6 Torx 20 screws that hold in the upper pump housing. Alright, now that we have the screws out, we can lift this upper cover off. Now that we have the cover off, we can lift the filter out. Here's the old pump filter next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. As you can see, the old one is in a round shape, so we have to take the new one and put it together and lock it. And you want to make sure that the ridges go on the outside. When you put the pump filter in, you want to make sure you set it right in the same groove that it came out of. Now we can put the top back on the pump assembly. If these spacers fell out while you were taking it apart, we'll show you where those go to. When you put this down, you want to make sure that these 2 nozzles, in this screw hole particularly, are at 12 o'clock. So when you put it down, the pump is lined up properly. If these spacers came out like we said, all you have to do is offset the spaces, and then we can put them back around the housing assembly right here and push them down in place. Alright, now we can go around and put the screws back in and tighten them down with our Torx 20 driver. Now when you put the spray arm back on, there's a flat on each side of the spray arm that corresponds with a flat on each side of this piece. So when you set it down, you want to make sure that those line up. So the spray arm sits down all the way and it'll turn. Now we can put the nut back on to hold it in place. Now that we have the pump reassembled, we can put the lower dish rack back in and close the door. Now that you're done repairing the appliance, you can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and give it a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.